Here's what's called a granddaughter clock. I actually have two. One's a Westminster chime and one's just a regular strike chime. It didn't come with hands or the bezel or the glass. There's the movement in it. So I've had this thing sitting in my possession since 1999 and I've never had it running, so it's about time that I get off my lazy butt and get it running. But it's a beautiful clock. It stands 52 3/4 inch. It should have a back door with it, but it don't, so I'm probably gonna have to make a back door to go with it. But anyway, this is my next project. So first thing I'm going to do is take that movement out and take it apart, clean it up, and put it on my test stand and get it running. So let me take that movement out. I had 4 screws in the movement, and I think I got them all loose. I bought this clock over in England, and I want to say I paid about $30 for it. It's been so long that I don't remember. The case needs cleaned up, so we're going to use some New Life furniture mask on it. But here's the movement. I'm pretty sure it's a German movement. I've had it out of the clock before, but I never finished working on it. And yeah, there's the identification on it. Maybe FHS. I don't remember. I'm going to have to look at that symbol and see what it is. 2 elephants next to a clock. I'm pretty sure it's FHS. So next part of this video is going to be me letting down the power and then taking it apart. But as always, I tell y'all, before you take and work on a clock, and it's been a while since I've worked on this style clock, so I'm going to take pictures all the way around, front, back, and all 4 sides, to help me remember how to put them all back together. So that's what I'm going to do next.